Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to create a curved navigation bar in Flutter. Let us see the demonstration. Now when I press this list icon is displayed on the screen with the index as 1. Similarly, when I press the contact mail icon, it displays on the screen with the index as 2. Similarly for phone icon, now when I press go to the page of index 0 button, it shows the plus icon with the index as 0. Let us see how we can create this type of navigation bar. Hello everyone, I have already created a project navigation bar in Flutter with the help of Flutter create command. In this project we have a class bottom navbar which is a stateful widget. Now in this class we have a scaffold widget, and in the app bar we have a title as curved navigation bar in Flutter. Now we need a plugin. So for this, open the Google Chrome and type curved navigation bar in Flutter. Now just follow the first link. Now come to the installing section. Just copy this dependency. Now navigate to the pubspec.yml file. Now paste this dependency just below the Cupertino icons and press Ctrl+S button. Now open the terminal, and in the output we will see exit code to 0. It means we have successfully imported the plugin. Now copy this import statement and paste it here. Now let us create a bottom navigation bar. So for this, type bottom navigation bar. Now we want a curved navigation bar. Now in the curved navigation bar we have a key. Now in this we have to pass the global key. So let us create a global key. So global key curved navigation bar state. Now give a reference as curved navigation key is equal to global key. Now just pass this reference in this key. Now we have to give the index value. So give index. Now set the initial value as 0. Now set the height of the navigation bar as 65.0. Now give the item you want to display on the navigation bar. So give item. Now let us try to give two items here. Now first item will be icon. Icons.add. Now give the size as 33 and colors as blue. Now again give the second icon. Second icon will be icons.list and size is 33 and color as blue. Now give the color of the navigation bar, which is colors.white. Now give the button background color, which is colors.white. Now background color, colors.blue. Now set the animation curve. Now curves. Now we have number of animation. We can choose any one from them. So let us choose the curves.ease in out animation. Okay. We can also set the animation duration. So animation duration in millisecond. Let it be 600. Now if a user press the icon present on the navigation bar, so we have to set the onTab method. It will takes the index value. Now we have to give the setState method. Let us create a variable which holds the initial value of the index int page, and the initial value of int page is 0. Now we have to assign the index value in int page variable. So from this we will know about which index is tabbed by the user. So now we have to give the let index hold the index value and set it to true. Now in the body give container widget, and in the container set the colors.blue, and in the child of the container give a center widget, and in the child of the center widget give a column widget, and in the column widget give main axis alignment dot center. Now in the children's, suppose if a user press one of the icon present in the navigation bar, so if the index, or we can say if the int page value is equal to 0, it means this value will be displayed on the screen. Now if int page value is equal to 1, it means this icon will be displayed on the screen. It means the user pressed this icon. Now set the color as well, color as black, and the size 135, and color as black. Now let us run the app. So basically we are seeing plus icon here. So when I press this list icon button, list icon is displayed on the screen. Now we want an index value right here. So for give text and fetch the current index value from the int page variable and convert it into a string. Now give the text scale factor as 5. Now let us see the result. Just hot reload it. Now index value is shown here. Now when I press this button, list icon is displayed as well as the index value. Now we can add more than one icon here. So let us try to add a contact mail icon, then call, then pump identity. Now in the children, if the int page value is true, it means this icon will be displayed on the screen. With the color as black. Now if the int page value is 3, it means this icon will be displayed on the screen with the color as black. And if the value is 4, it means this icon will be displayed on the screen.
with the color as black, and the size should be 135. Now let us run the program again. Now if I click on this icon, it shows the icon and with the index value. Now second, third, and fourth. We can also change the color of the icon as black. It must be, we can set it as white, black, then white. Now we can see here. Now create a elevated button through which we can go to the index 0 from any index. So create an elevated button. In the child as text widget, go to the page of 0 index. Now in onPress method, now in the elevated button, create a final variable of nav with the reference type navbar state, and in this set the page value as 0. Now let us run the program. Now suppose I am on this index. Now when I press go to the page of index 0 button, I directly went to the index 0.